Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel MathBuddy. So here we are taking some practice example which are miscellaneous from the unit 1, unit 2, unit 3. So this is from the unit 2. Example, find the domain of the function. The function is given here. F of x is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1 divided by x square minus 8x plus 12. So the rational function, this is the ratio of two polynomial or the quadratic equations. Rational function is defined, the function is defined on the real number, defined for all real number except the denominator is equal to 0. जहाँ पर denominator 0 बन रहा है, that means this implies x square minus 8x plus 12 के लिए ये डिफाइन नहीं होगा, इज इक्वल टू 0 के लिए. So it must be not equal to 0. The domain must not contain such x which satisfy this quadratic equation. That means x square minus 8x. So here we find the value of x minus plus minus 8 plus or minus in square root b square, that is 64 minus 4ac, that is 48. Then divided by 2, a is equal to 1 here, so plus 8 plus or minus, this is 16 having square root this, so this implies it is either 8 plus 4, that is 12 divided by 2, that is 6 or 2. So if it is equal to 2, it is equal to 4 minus 8 plus 4 minus 16 plus 12. So it will be 0 or 6. If we substitute x is equal to 6, then it is again 0. Now we don't want these numbers, that is x is equal to, x must be not equal to 6 and x must be not equal to 2. This implies domain of this function, domain is equal to r minus this 6 comma 2. If we remove these two elements from the set of real number, that will be the domain of this function.